Welcome to the channel. It's Roy. I'm over at my brother's house in his garage. Today is what, November 14th?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Anyway, it's freaking cold outside. We're going to be doing a video on some battery tenders that we bought. We both bought the same one. He's going to put the battery tender on his bike. I'm going to put the battery tender on mine. And let's see what we got. All right, from Amazon, we both bought a NOCO, what is it? GENIUS2. And of course, we had to order this adapter for our...
Yeah, we have to say adapter.
Yeah, that's the SA adapters. Came from Amazon. We both ordered them from Amazon.
There's ones, twos, fives, tens, but we decided on the twos because the fives and tens were kind of overkill.
Yeah. This is all we need. We just need to keep the battery tended. So we'll open these up here.
$19.14.
What? I just ripped my shit to shreds. All that box for this little thing here. All right. Fill up his garbage. He always comes over to my house and fills mine up. Nice little box. Oops. Yeah. Comes in a nice little, look at that. There we go. Nice little package here. Styrofoam. Instructions. Comes with some kind of mount. You can mount it. I don't know. But, there.
Yeah, well, you can mount it on the wall too because there's holes in it, yeah.
Alright, comes with the... I ain't gonna use that though. Nice long. Alright.
Plenty of baggies.
So let's read the instructions. Let's see. I'll keep the instructions. A little bit of mics.
A little bit of what?
A very important part of installation videos. Can anybody read? Let's see here. Charging modes. I didn't know I had to bring a fucking magnifying glass to read this.
Put this on the put your adapter on first.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you got these little freaking bread ties on here. You can't get the frick off here. Freaking, there we go. Bread ties. All right. That comes off. That comes off. And that just goes on there like that. There we go. Got that adapter on there. All right. This will keep the battery tended there. Last week, was it last week? Or
Yeah.
about a week and a half ago.
Yep.
About a week and a half ago, my bike didn't start very good. And I left it for what? Oh, how many? Not very long. All right, so this does come with a little, you can either, little strap here, snap it in, and you can strap it on the bike. Strap it in, or you can screw it to a wall. So I'm going to use it to strap it on here, I guess. Right? Is that how it works? Like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to strap it somewhere here, see if I can.
Here's my little, where's my battery tender thing? Here's my battery tender thing. There we go. Must be. Oh, holy crap.
Yeah, mine went on hard.
There we go. All right, well, all right. I'm not going to strap it to the bike.
Mine's not strapped up.
So mine's gonna be sitting on the ground, right there, going over to the wall. Okay.
Yeah, enough.
All right, he's got his plugged in. What the hell's your? Oh, your battery tender's all the way over on this side.
Yep.
Battery lights on. All right. Got a problem here. You know, I was gonna put my thing here, but I don't have a big ass cup holder.
Yep.
That I mentioned in my last video that we need to get.
All right, so that's standby mode.
Okay.
Press the mode button to toggle to the appropriate charge mode. So just hit your button once.
So hit my button once. All right, here's mine. Mode.
There you go.
12 volt.
Now you wait.
Yep. Good. It's gonna check the battery, see if it needs a charge,
It takes a minute to go through.
which mine might.
So the green pulses like this when it's trickling, or what it is. Yeah. All right. Pulsing green LED, bulk charge complete.
Okay.
Optimize the
Oh.
battery for its inner life.
What's it mean when all the lights are still on with the green?
It means that you're real close to being it's
Charging?
charging.
So mine, nope,
Nope,
nope, it went out.
Yep. So you're gonna go in the.
Yep, so now I'm in standby mode. Good. And
So when it's flashing like this, it's optimizing the battery.
which you probably can't pick up that good, but there. Okay, so is there anything else? What's
That's
the,
it.
That's it, right?
Just leave it.
Oh, no, when the power goes out. So, yep, that's a good thing. So when the power goes out, or if you unplug it, whatever settings you had it on, it'll automatically go back to.
Yep.
And of course, you know, you got some other things on here. You could do a charge also,
Yep.
if your battery is dead.
Yep.
But this is more of a tender, right in tender mode right now. But if your battery is
You
dead,
can charge through it, but
you can charge through it, but it's going to be a slower charge.
yeah, you don't recommend.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
So-
why I got this too. Was because if you needed to, you could charge through this without actually wrecking the
Yeah.
line.
So we're all done hooking those up. So we'll see how they last. We'll wait till springtime to see if the bikes start up, because I used to, you know, my old bike, the Y Glide, I used to take my battery out. You know, it was easy. It was easy. Take it out, bring it inside the house, and then put it in the spring. I'd put it back in. That was one of my beginning videos for this channel, was me putting my battery in on the old bike. But with all electronics in here and on this new bike and all the new bikes, basically. And sometimes it's a pain in the ass to get the batteries out. So now you use trickle charge, use a battery tender. So we'll see how it goes. I've never had any problems when I pulled my batteries out and put it in, but we'll see if this bike starts in the spring. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Looking for some new subscribers, always looking for subscribers. Leave a comment below. I'll put a link below where we got these. I'll put a link in the description. But like I said, they both came from Amazon. And what were they, like $45, $49?
Well, with the adapter, it ended up being like, and with
Yeah.
tax and shipping, it ended up being like $60 total.
Yeah. So depending on what adapter you need or whatever. So the battery tender itself was $49, I think. And then you got to buy the adapter. We had to buy the AGM, right, or whatever it's called, or the AG.
SAA.
Oh, SAA. Yeah, that's it.
SAE.
Yeah, SAE adapter for.
Because that's what was already built.
Yep.
Already-
Yeah, that's what it is. But there's other adapters and stuff, and it does come with alligator clips if you want to hook directly to a battery. And yeah. But yeah. But so yeah, so leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. And see ya next time or in the spring. I don't know. We may have another video. I don't know, but I think my brother wants to do something on his bike during the winter, so we might have another video sometime midwinter, early spring. Well,
Early spring probably.
it'll probably be probably early spring. So it will be next year. So I guess we'll see you next year. All right, bye.